Hey guys, Miss Brooklyn here. Welcome back to my channel, Miss Brooklyn's Journey. In this video, I'm taking you through everything I ate today and how my nutritional diet is in the kitchen. So let's just jump right into the video. If you watchers of my channel, I've introduced you to matcha before. This morning, I started my day with 4 Sigmatics mushroom matcha drink mix. Now, this has lion's mane and ginger. It's powerful, organic, high-grade mushroom matcha. It contains relaxing amino acids that result in balanced energy for your whole body. Basically, feel energized and in sync. Like no jitters, no crash, no burn. If you suffer from lack of energy and anxiety like I do, I highly suggest this drink mix. There are several ways you can have it. It's even keto friendly. If you just use coconut oil, heavy whipping cream, and non-calorie flavors like French vanilla, hazelnut, caramel, all that good shebang bang. It's also vegan and paleo approved as well. Today I use warm almond milk and French vanilla 0-calorie sweetener. So last time I made matcha, you guys laughed at me for using a fork to whip and froth up my matcha. So I now have a 4 Sigmatic frother, and I will be using that to make my drink, which it is a dupe for Starbucks. I'm just saying. I'll leave a link down below in the description box to the website and coupon codes for you guys to use to get money off of your order. You guys, let me show you why my day did not go as planned. I'm on auntie duty. Look.
Tyler, you watching your show?
She is so spoiled. She was crying all day because she wanted me to hold her all day. I could hardly get anything done. Anyways, let's move on. Not feeling quite hungry enough to eat yet, and very hot, bothered, and irritated, I decided to make some iced coffee. Now, you guys know I don't play about my coffee. I'm having 4 Sigmatics mushroom coffee mix with lion's mane and chaga. It's instant coffee that's organic, vegan, Whole30, and keto friendly. You can make your keto bullet coffee using this coffee. It helps promote productivity, creativity, and focus due to the lion's mane mushrooms. The chaga mushroom supports your daily immune system. It's made with 100% organic Arabica coffee beans. This particular morning, I had it with some regular original almond milk. I had both chocolate almond milk and vanilla almond milk. Now, you guys know I'm not keto. I am low carb. So for me, it's good. I'm just going to do 2 ounces, 1 ounce of each nut milk flavor, lots of ice, and the coffee. Can I just tell you guys, it smells so good. And this tastes really, really good. I thoroughly enjoy this coffee. I love, love, love this coffee. I've switched to it and I'm energized. I love drinking this before the gym. Really love drinking this before the gym. Again, the description box is your best friend. All the information will be there. Links and coupon codes. You guys, this day was the hardest day of my life. I chose the wrong day to babysit and decide to film a what I ate today video, but it was Sunday and I was home, so I was like, let me film. For lunch, I'm having leftovers. Now, you guys may have seen a full entire recipe video on my channel from my last video when I showed you guys how to make this seafood stuffed chicken. Well, that's what I'm having for lunch. I decided to, pop some in the microwave and heat some up. I'm having it with half an avocado that I just dressed up with some cayenne pepper, a little bit of Cajun spice, and topped it with some onions and the sauce from the chicken. So that's what I'm having for lunch. Y'all, I had to scarf this down. Okay. Whew, I don't want no kids. I'm not having no kids. I can't. So right now I'm just having some fruit. I'm gonna have 100 grams of some melon, cantaloupe to be exact, because I want to stay in range of my macros for the day. So that's what I'm having for a snack. For dinner, I am making something so simple and easy. I'm using scraps in my fridge to make a meal. So to a pan, I'm adding some coconut oil. And I have 2 types of chicken here. Both is chicken breast, but one is already pre-made and the other one is raw chicken breast. I'm going on vacation, so I'm not food shopping. So whatever's in my fridge, I'm leaving. I'm just going to season it with some chicken bouillon, good quality stuff, no MSG, and also some Creole seasoning. I'm going to top it with some dried parsley, Italian mix. I'm adding garlic. Just, I don't have any fresh herbs or anything fresh in my fridge. Like I said, I'm going on vacation, so I didn't have anything. I'm going to give that a good toss. And yeah, just flavoring it up with some of the flavors I like, I'm going to give it a good toss and a mix. I'm going to let it pan fry for a little bit until it starts to get nice and golden and even form a little crisp on the chicken. I add some green onions to this, and I'm also going to add some shrimp. I'm adding some wild red artesian tiger shrimp. I had a couple left over from my last recipe, and I added to the dish. It was just a few. And to this, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water and let it cook down, as well as some red onions. And just, yeah, this was a quick and easy dish. It literally took 15 minutes to put together, and it took no time, literally no time, because I just used scraps. It was enough for 3 people. So after it's all said and done, I topped it on some cauliflower mash that I made with just heavy whipping cream, butter, and some seasoning. You guys should know how to make cauliflower mash by now. It's all over YouTube. Just do your favorite recipe of it. I just made mine extra creamy because I wanted the illusion of like a mashed potato, but not so much. But yeah, this is what I had for dinner, and that was all I ate today. But before I leave this video out, I want to show you Four Sigmatic's website, because I did have some other products, not this particular day, that's why I didn't show it. I have to be realistic and show you what I ate, but I do have some other drink mix. Using their products have introduced me to new things in my diet. The website have tons of different products, but I do want to talk about this lemonade. The very next day I had this lemonade. It blew me for a freaking loop. First of all, it's black lemonade, okay? It's black because it has charcoal and changa mushrooms. So, okay, this lemonade is a dietary supplement. It is also a detox, okay? So it detox you from the inside out. Not detox in the sense that you got to use the bathroom, but detox in the sense that it helps you with a healthy digestive system. It hydrates your skin and overall well-being to help you glow from the inside out. It also has a lot of antioxidant properties. It's sugar-free and its sweetness comes from monk fruit. It does taste like lemonade, okay? If you try nothing else, I would say try the lemonade, the mushroom lemonade mix, because you guys are really gonna like it. I really enjoyed it. I had some the next day. I actually made like a ice blended lemonade, and I was just in love. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting some more of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for kicking it here with me on Miss Brooklyn's journey, seeing how I ate. Thumbs me up, and also follow me on my social media networks. Names and links are down below. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.